Hello, and welcome to this discussion on scientists use CRISPR to make chickens more resistant to bird flu. In recent years, gene editing has become a highly controversial topic, with many people questioning its ethical implications and potential long-term effects. However, in this case, the benefits of gene editing are clear. Scientists used CRISPR-Cas9 to modify the DNA of chickens, making them more resistant to a highly lethal form of avian influenza. The technique involves cutting and editing DNA with the help of a protein called Cas9, and then adding genetic information to make the DNA more resilient to disease. The results have been impressive, with the genetically modified chickens displaying increased levels of resistance to the virus. This could have significant implications for the poultry industry, which is responsible for producing billions of dollars in revenue each year. However, there are also limitations to this technology. One major concern is the potential for unintended consequences. For example, gene editing could also make chickens more resistant to other diseases, or even make them more adaptable to changing environments. Furthermore, there is still much debate surrounding the ethics of genetic modification, particularly when it comes to food production. There is a growing movement towards sustainable and organic farming practices, and gene editing could undermine these efforts. In conclusion, the use of CRISPR to make chickens more resistant to bird flu is a promising development, but it also raises important questions about the ethics and potential long-term effects of genetic modification. While it could have significant implications for the poultry industry, it is important that we approach this technology with caution and consideration. Thank you for watching.